Is it visible?
You are presenting to everyone. Just click. Oh, yes, now I can see it. Yes.
So this is the plot.
So this is the plot.
Sir, one second. Yes, sir. Sir, actually the arrows are a bit clingy. I'll just.
One B arrows are there.
Sir, see, it's instead of converging, it's diverging. And when the cyclone should have been here, it's up. So it's not reading in the correct order, sir.
So there is no
This
reading
is
cycle.
this is where the cyclone should have been. This part.
So
But it's
obviously,
coming here in the completely opposite direction.
so your read format is not correct. That means, so now you
Yes,
show me
sir.
your Fortran code where you first you show me your data file, which you extracted, in the Excel
Yes, sir.
sheet. Yeah.
Sir, this is the file. One second, sir.
So your at the top.
So this is the netcdf file I extracted for, I like I said, I had 47 by 47. So 47 by 47 into the 4 time steps.
Four
This is
times.
this. Sir, the time 53 is actually 00 GMT of 14th. No, sorry, not yeah, 14th November 2007. So the entire 47 by 47 for 00 GMT. Then it start another set of 47 by 47 for 6
So
GMT, followed by 12 GMT, then 18 GMT.
you extracted the whole day, otherwise not
Yes,
required
sir.
because your size is too large now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I
So one,
extracted the whole day just in case I need the extra data. But whichever timestamp I'm using, I'm selecting just that part. We can extract for a longer time interval also, or for a shorter time interval also.
yes. So now, according to you, this data is 47 by 47 points for each time step, right? And this is
Yes,
first
sir.
time step, that means 00 GMT का data है ये, for this, right? अभी जो
Yes, sir.
सामने ये देख रहा है, that means 00 GMT data, right?
Yes, sir.
And then latitude 1, 2 से लेकर के कहाँ तक है? Go down, 23 I can see. Go down further.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yes.
I didn't get you.
Scroll down the file, I can see the latitude from 1, 2, 3 up to 23. Further 29, 36, or further down 44, 47. Okay. So 47 points there.
Sir, yes, and the latitude values are given here. Like the 47th latitude is 5. 47th latitude is 5 degree east, and first latitude is 39.5. Sorry, sir, latitude. Sorry, north, north. Sorry,
So this is your
5
latitude.
degree north to 5 degree north to 39.5 degree north.
So this is your latitude. ये कहाँ है? I mean, that is what you have converted, right? Latitude.
No, sir, I haven't converted anything, sir. This it is extracted in this form only. Like
Okay,
from
so,
latitude number 5 to 39.5, I have data. So they have just put a serial number beside it.
so now your first column and first row, the first one is 39.5, right? Latitude.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is 39.5.
So your पहला वाला data जो है, now scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Okay, now this one is 39.5 degree latitude. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we go in the east direction in this row, and what is this next value? This is the value at the next longitude. What is
Next
this?
longitude, sir. This latitude, next longitude is this value. The next one.
What is the starting longitude?
Oh, okay, okay. The longitude. Okay, sir. One second. Sir, longitude. The first longitude is 65 degree east.
The first longitude is 65. So that is
Yes,
starting
and
point. Yeah, go back to the okay, and the last one, 99.5.
99.5.
Okay, so 65 to 99.5. Okay, so fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will cover the entire India. So your this latitude, this is the data at 39.5 degree latitude and 65 degree longitude, right?
Yes, sir.
And then
Yes, sir.
the next data will be increment in the longitude direction. What is the increment? 0.7506. Whatever the
Yes,
value
sir.
comes. So this is why odd number is coming. So anyway, so I was just saying then how many columns you have? 47 columns?
Sir, 47 by 47. I have taken 47 longitudes, 47 latitudes.
47 columns are there in the x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
So just scroll right, go to the right, and then show me all the 47 columns.
Sir.
Okay, fine. So 47 columns. So again, go back to the first point. Okay. So now I understand the structure of your data file. This is your input data file, right? So
Yes,
now
sir.
I understand the structure of your input data file that you have created or extracted from the whatever the serial. Okay. Now you show me your program code.
One second, sir.
Hmm.
Notice. One second, sir. I forgot the name of the file. One second. I have it written. One second, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, this is the code.
Slightly move right because something I can't see it is just overlapping. Move the
One second,
window,
sir.
move the window right little bit.
Sir, can you see it?
Not completely. Ah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. So this program seeder is non-real blah blah blah. And then open file seeder. Okay. Open unit 15. Form formatted. Okay. Then so you have read all the I values from 1 to 47. So your I values conventionally it is from east to west. I mean, yeah, west to east. So first value is I equal to 1, which is 65 degree longitude. Okay, and the last value is 47, which is your 5 degree, 199.5 degree longitude, right?
Yes, sir.
And J
Yes.
is degree from 1 to 47. Now your first value is supposed to be uh, the northern one, that is 39.5 degree latitude, and 47 J is your 5 degree latitude. Okay.
5 degree north. Yes, sir.
So what you need to do is just reverse here, either here or while writing. You can reverse by reading itself, or you can reverse by writing also. Because क्या हो गया? The window is gone.
One second. Sir, Gitesh, can you please mute your mic? Thank you.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
So you need to reverse your either the read statement or the write statement, because you know that your starting point is 39.5 degree latitude and 65 degree longitude, right? So
Yes, sir.
while reading itself, you can reverse it, read in the reverse way, or while writing, you can write in the reverse way. You get the
Okay,
point?
sir. Sir, the latitudes only, right?
So your outer loop is I equal to 147, which is supposed to be the your longitude loop. I loop
Yes,
is a
sir.
longitude loop, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
J loop is your latitude loop. So
Yes,
longitude
sir.
is 147, ठीक है, वो तो normal है. Longitude is 65 to 99.5. But the latitude loop is 1 to 47. So whatever you want to read in the reverse fashion here itself. So you read. I think the negative increment should be allowed in the loop. I guess it should be allowed in the loop.
Yes, sir. Decrements are allowed.
This is allowed. So
Sir,
instead of
we can have a decrement. Just we have to instead of 1 comma 47, we have to read it from 47 to 1, and instead of increment, we are going to have a decrement.
-1, yes.
-1.
Uh, so you read from j equal to 47 to 1 comma -1.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. I'll try that. But sir, like in C, we used to have I plus plus. Instead of that, we used to have I minus minus for decrement. But here there is no plus minus. So how will it understand that we are going for decrement?
Yeah.
We'll just reverse. Huh?
No, no.
For example, here do I is equal to 1 comma 47.
Hmm.
Okay, so there only just write do I is equal to 47 comma 1 comma -1.
This
No,
one J Kalu.
जी comma minus
I'm
1
giving,
करेंगे
I'm just giving you an example to write a decrement. How to write a decrement?
For
Right?
47 comma 1 comma
Comma minus one.
हाँ
Now it will
ठीक है
decrement by a minus one. If you
this.
want it to decrement
हाँ
by a minus two, then it will decrement like
हाँ
that.
ठीक है
Okay, okay, okay.
इसी में
Yes,
करेंगे
sir.
now the thing is your data file which you showed me, go back to the data file again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now all these values, are these all u values only? Are these all u values?
Yes, sir. This is U value, and this
And
is
then
1 second, sir.
after that, yeah, 47 row.
This is the V value, sir.
No, which one is u value?
Sorry, sir.
Which one is? I mean, this is in the
This.
same file. In this file, when you are reading the file, it is
Mhm.
reading from this file, right? It is reading from this file.
Sir,
Isn't it?
sir, I'm not reading it directly from Excel. I'm copying the text, taking the text from Excel and copying into a text file and reading from there.
So you are copying it in another file and then reading there. Right? From this Excel sheet, you are copying the values into another file. You're saying
Sir, normal file, like normal text file.
normal text file. You are just copying these values into another normal text file. Is that so?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now all these values are the u values in this file, and then you have
Yes.
generated another page for the
Yes.
v values.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The v values are in a different page. Is that so?
Yes, sir. One page in comma format, like U comma V. I have stored the values like that.
नहीं नहीं ये जो वैल्यू है ये तो एक फाइल हो गया ना इस फाइल में if you just want to show me the v that means you are clicking on the v10 जो तुम्हारा टैब है नीचे
Yes, sir. That's why I'm not reading it directly from here. I'm reading it from a file where I have compiled all the U and V values together.
so in that file you copied all these 47 by 47 value of u and then
Yes, sir.
47 by 47 value of v is it like that?
Yes, sir. Different, just separated by a comma, U comma V form.
हाँ लेकिन पहले तो तुमने सारा u का वैल्यू कॉपी कर लिया ना वहाँ पे how did I don't know how you
Yes,
have
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have copied all the U values and then I'll show you the text file, sir.
so, हाँ
Sir, this is the file, U comma V.
यू नो बट ये जो है ये जो तुम्हारा कॉलम है फर्स्ट कॉलम देयर
Yes,
दैट
sir.
इज 47 by 47 points is it like that?
Yes, sir. First column has 47 by 47 points in a column form.
All the u values is it like that?
All the yes, sir. All the U values. Left side of the comma, all the U values. Right side of the comma, all the V values.
That way you have okay that you have created the file in that way so
Yes, sir. Sir, I had tried using a matrix also, but it's not reading it. It's reading in this format only.
वो भी करेगा तुमको read statement को बदलना पड़ेगा in that case that will also be read in this way you have written your read statement it will expect this two columns data so in this case if you have extracted it correctly I don't know how whether you have done any mistake in that because when you have copied all the values of u in one column
Yes, sir. All the values of U are in the left column, and all the values of V are in right column.
so if you have done it like that then your read statement is okay but read statement is just now showed me in your Fortran code go back to the Fortran code it's so
Yes, sir. This is the photo.
I just wonder how did you create this file now all u in one column and all v in one column manually you did right did manually
Yes, sir. From Excel.
from Excel you just copied manually and then just pasted it in
Yes,
another
sir.
file.
Manually. Yes, sir. Manually. Because in order to read an Excel code in Fortran and then to copy it, that requires a very long code in itself. Because Excel has columns and rows separated, no, sir. So in order to read an Excel file, we have to give a lot, like literally very big code for reading column and which way we want to copy it. That's why, sir, it's better to do manually, howsoever big the data is.
However, I have a doubt whether you have copied manually properly or not. In that other
Sir,
file,
I am pretty confident because I have copied it using Excel codes only. I mean, I did not do it like select one column at a time. I did it full by Excel shortcuts only. So there's no scope of missing one value or overlapping another value.
okay, so if so, If so, then go back to your Fortran code.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, your read statement is fine. Uij and Bij is okay. No problem. Uij and Bij undo, and so all the values of I it will be read, and then all the values of J it will be read. And then you are writing, okay, all the use. I think your writing way is not correct. Well, it is not in the graph style. In the graph style, okay. ठीक है.
Oh,
So you are writing all the values
sir.
of U first.
Yes, sir. So
You
you
are writing.
you
ठीक है.
want to see the grads file, sir?
No. Graphs format should be one variable, complete
One
one
second, sir.
variable,
One
and then the
second, sir.
complete next variable.
So this is the grads file.
So the CTL file हो गया. CTL file 65 to 0.75. So starting 0.75 and the starting y definition is only when you reverse it, then this is okay. Starting point is 5 latitude, and then 0.575 is the interval. So ठीक है. So if you have written it correct that way, then that's okay. And then you one level 2208 and B1 level 2208 where it is on. Okay. So if so, now you just try to, because now you have reversed your do loop, so just try to compile this program and then run it again and got it. But how does it look like?
Let me see, sir. One second.
Mhm.
Shweta,
Mm-hmm.
over here you have to put I to the decrement, not J.
Okay. One second.
कहाँ पे है? J is your latitude, no? So latitude is decreasing from 39.5 to 5. You think what was the problem?
So, sir, what will be the decrement I or J?
No, it is your
Shweta,
starting.
listen.
No, these are
You have taken the transpose first, na? So I think it will be on J only.
Okay.
पहले ठीक था. पहले वाला ठीक था. What was wrong in that? पहले वाला तुम्हारा ठीक था.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
हाँ. And then compile it and then try to run it.
Sir, one second. I need to delete the dummy file first. Otherwise, I won't know if it's creating the right file. Okay, sir. Yes, the data is there.
Why you are skipping 2 points in the?
Sir, because the wind vectors are too close to each other, it's becoming cringy.
तो दोनों में बराबर करो ना. 2 by 2 करो. Y1 y2.
So, sir, you don't want me to skip the value?
No, either 2 by 2 or 1 by 1. So you skip
Okay,
either
sir.
1 point or 2 point. So now
Sir,
अभी भी प्रॉब्लम है.
यहाँ भी sir. Sir, the problem is with the arrow direction. So this is yes sir. The problem of आप ऊपर नीचे वाला problem चला गया. यहाँ जो हो रहा था not वो अभी नीचे open हो रहा है. लेकिन the problem is with the direction of the arrow. It should converge. It's diverging.
It is always diverging. So because again your data structure is not rightly written or rightly read. No.
Okay sir, I'll try a few combinations.
Those try करो, then it will be okay. Okay.
Okay sir.
So all right. So everybody, I hope is watching this. I now go to the next person in the line. Asna, can you show me?
Hello, sir.
Yes. What is your progress? Can you show me what is your?
Sir, yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Uh,
So I'm also facing a similar kind of problem. 1 second.
uh.
So here it is.
Same, जो
So
पहले का
my
photo-
cyclone should be here, somewhere here, but it's showing up here.
What is your case? What is your case?
Hello, sir.
Which case you are working on?
Sir, my Fallon cyclone, sir, it lasted for like 10 days. So the day on which its velocity was maximum was the 10th of October.
क्या नाम बताया?
Fallon, sir.
Railin, हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2014 वाला.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So on
ठीक है.
10th of October, its velocity was maximum. So I plotted for 10th of October here.
Your problem is also same.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
Reading problem. Okay, so you also have to properly read the data and write the output file.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you also same thing. Your input data is just butane or क्या है?
Yes, sir. So this is my Excel sheet. Here is the V10 and here is the U10. Here.
So this is your U10, and then in next sheet you have got the butane.
Yes, sir. So my matrix was forming of 41 cross 41.
So yours is same interval क्या है तुम्हारे data का? 0.75 और क्या है? 0.5 क्या है?
0.75.
Same as Sweta. So basically you and Sweta are doing the same way, same thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have heard the discussion, so you also have to accordingly correct your procedure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So ठीक है, so you will do it and then we will discuss after that. So next person I see is Gitesh. So Gitesh, what is your progress?
Sir, 1 second. Sir, I changed the code in J loop. Ashna can change it in the I loop and we can see the difference.
Hello? Acha, I'll do it now.
नहीं उससे नहीं होगा मुझे
Yeah.
ऐसे करके देखो आई डोंट नो क्योंकि हमारे
सर जैसे मैंने
हाँ करके बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट योर जो तुम्हें एक्शन से एक्सट्रैक्ट करके मेरे बारे में ले गया दैट प्लेस आई एम नॉट श्योर सो एनीथिंग यू हैव टू डू द रिटर्न क्लास ओके तो तुम उल्टा करके देखो
Ashna delete the dump first.
Wait a second. Result. Here it is. Set 4.
और तुमने भी पूरे दिन भर का किया क्या 4 टाइम्स अ डे
Yes, sir.
तुमने भी 4 टाइम्स अ डे डेटा को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया और इट इज जस्ट वन टाइम डेटा
No, sir. So my cyclone was for 10 days, so I accepted only one value only. 12 hours difference. Yes, sir.
वन टाइम फॉर वन डे
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है
One time set for 1 day.
हाँ ठीक है या तो व्हाट वी नीड टू डोंट नीड एवरीथिंग so this is good enough तो कंपाइल करो
It's forming.
Yeah.
Still, it's forming over there only.
हाँ चेंज ही नहीं हुआ सेम था मैं डिलीट
Yes.
को डिलीट कर दिया फिर भी चेंज नहीं हुआ इसका मतलब your data file has not changed.
Yes, sir.
Somewhere something I don't know. Okay. Is exactly the same which you showed me earlier.
Yes, sir.
So it's not change हुआ था. So you try anyway. You properly you just try to correct it. Okay. And then we'll see. So anything else you want to show, or we go to the next person? Jitesh, you want to show?
That's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Jitesh or Harti, Hartasri. Who wants to show? Hartasri?
So,
Yes.
sir, I calculated the divergence vorticity, but I didn't. I extracted the NC file into CSV using R. I didn't use the Excel.
Okay. So, and you have plotted.
So, but I really didn't understand the CSV file. I'll show the CSV file, but I can't understand the file, sir. I'll show you.
I mean, you extracted the UV file, data file from your ERA data. Is it like that? And what,
In R script,
our
sir.
program. And what is your case? Which case was that?
So for Varda cyclone,
For the cyclone. So,
Varda cyclone, the data was for 31 days, sir. And yeah, when I converted into CSV,
31 days.
all
Why 31 days?
it was not for no. I downloaded 31 days, and while plotting I'll take it as 4, but I didn't plot. So
You need only the cyclone तो 2-3 दिन के लिए होगा ना? Only for 2 or 3 days or 1.
yeah, yes, sir.
So, yeah, for this purpose, just one time for 1 day when the cyclone was at the peak intensity, that is sufficient to extract. Okay.
So the CSV file had so many values, I really didn't understand, so I didn't plot it. Sir, I'll show you the file. So this one is a serial number, lon and lat, but this number I didn't understand what it is.
Now you have got how many columns? X, Y.
So 1 minute. Dimension is 54 by 81, and 124 is the time, sir.
So 54 by 81 data. I mean, so this is now what is your grid interval? What is the resolution? 1 degree or 0.5 degree or 0.25 degree? क्या है?
I don't remember. I think it's 0.75 only. I downloaded it as 0.75.
You need to know those things, to be able to exactly read and write. You need to know those things. Forget, then you just download once again data from the era. You have forgotten those things, and you just download once again.
Sir, I think it's 0.25 because from the longitude interval.
Yeah, you can see it from here. If it is your first column is the serial number, I see.
Yes.
Right. The second column is
it's 0.75 only. It's 60, 60.75, 61.5.
Yes. So that means your first column is your longitude, 60, and the next column is your latitude, 44.75. Is it? So
Yes,
starting from 44.75 north, काफी उत्तर north चला गया, bigger data set, and then down to 60, and then is scroll down this file, data file, scroll down.
Scroll down, okay.
So 99, 100, scroll down further. 101, 102. Big data. You don't need such a big data. 117. Further down. Further down.
So there
Okay.
are lots. Yeah.
So up to 120. So from 60 to 120 east. That's what is your data. Okay. And 120 में कहाँ पे 44. Okay. So now you go to the top.
So this column I didn't understand. Yeah.
Wait a minute. So one by one we'll try. So the next value is 44.75. I assume that is your latitude. Now उसके बाद 44.75. So in your case, longitude is changing, but latitude is remaining the same, right? So कहाँ गया फिर? Wait a minute. 44. So they are all 44. Then you scroll down. Scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is your 93. Further scroll down. Go to the 120. Further scroll down. Okay. Wait a minute. So 120. So now this is 44.75. Then your next is 44, 44, right? 44. Okay. So like that, it is going down to what latitude? You can write down by pen somewhere your domain.
It's going up to 5. So
Up to 5. So you write down in your notebook by pen, by hand. Your data is starting from 60 degree east to 120 degree east and 44.75 or kitna tha, whatever was there, up to 5. That is what your data domain, right? Write down somewhere.
yes, sir.
And your increment, latitude increment, longitude increment is 0.75. Write down somewhere. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now go to the top of the file. Okay, so after 44.75, you got a value called 105. It's a big value.
Yes, sir. And like it's supposed to be UV, MSL, and precipitation, sir. But I got only one value. I don't know why. Like I'm still trying to understand this.
So it seems that this is just one value because it is a big number. 100,514.33058 blah 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 blah. So it's just one value. So I don't know what value is that. Is that this looks like to be
Sir, I checked. It's not you. It's not we. Something while extracting something has happened, sir.
it looks
I
like
think
to be surface pressure in Pascal or something like that.
Okay. Huh.
5.7. So instead of hectopascal, it is just a Pascal in surface pressure. To me, it looks like that from first hand.
Okay.
Look, so your first value is surface pressure. Okay, and then like that you will have other values, so many values. So well, I mean, you can't just extract U, V for all the latitude, longitude rather than writing all these things. You can do that.
Yeah, I have to see, sir.
Nah.
I'm still learning R, so I have to see.
So just extract U and V only, not this surface pressure. You don't need that present. Okay.
Okay.
To me, it looks like this surface pressure. So,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So you just extract U and V, and just one time step, not all the time step. Okay. And even your domain size is quite big because it's starting from 44.75. Your India is only up to 30, 31, not beyond that. So, ठीक है, I mean, you should know where is your starting point, where is your ending point. Those things you know, then you can write the program accordingly and read the data. Right?
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So first of all, you try to learn how to extract only U and V rather than extracting everything. Okay, and then we'll see after that.
Yes, sir.
So next, who is next? Gitesh? Are you there? Want to show me something? Gitesh? can't hear. Anis, are you there? Can you hear me, Anis?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
your role? Okay.
Okay, sir. I'm presenting my screen, sir. Sir, this is my Excel file of Nisha Cyclone, sir. I extracted the data from 60 longitude to 100, latitude from 0 to 30.
Okay.
And here,
Degree interval? Degree interval.
sorry, sir.
1 degree interval, right? Interval is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 interval.
and then your new file, U, and the second column is V. Okay? U and
Yes,
V.
sir. You and me, sir.
So, okay, then from here, did you read directly from here or you just again
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, I copied from Excel file to text file, and here is the text file, sir.
So this is
Yes,
your
sir.
IGT,
Text
right?
file.
Compare the
Yes, sir.
values.
As it is.
So this
As it is, I just copied one column first for you, and then I copied second column for V, and I just pasted both of them.
so now क्या था do you remember what was your starting point? 60.
Yes, sir. My starting point from longitude 60 and latitude 0.
Okay, latitude. That means already it was starting from north. North, yeah, north left. ठीक है. So
Yes,
I think your
sir. From west. Yes.
I think your design structure is okay. Go back and show me the Excel sheet again. Show me the Excel sheet again.
Okay, sir. Okay. This one, sir.
So, okay, 0 days latitude is starting. So I think now, okay, I think your Excel sheet data structure is fine. Right. So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So now you from your program code.
Yes, sir. This one, sir.
So in your case, I equal to 1 to 31. And why 1 to 31? It is not 31 by 31? It's not
No, sir. Actually, I'm from latitude. I extracted data from 60 to 100, sir.
okay, only latitude? Yeah,
And
latitude.
in latitude 0 to 30.
Latitude, okay, ठीक है. So for all the I find wave starting from first latitude and then yeah, for first longitude it is all the latitude. It is all the latitude. So first longitude and then reading all the latitude 1 to 31. So U and V. I think your program looks okay to me.
Okay, sir. Now, sir, CTL file. I'm sorry, yes. I'm sorry. CTL file.
Data is voice is YG.
This is, sir, CTL file.
CTL file 1 0 to 1. Okay. CTL value. Okay. So I think that's okay to me. That's okay to me. Plot करके देखा.
Sorry, sir.
Plot करके देखा. Plot करके.
Yes, sir. प्लॉट करके देखा, लेकिन सर गंदा आ रहा है. दिखाता हूं, सर. ये है, सर.
Regarding data somewhere.
Sir, actually, I'm showing you, sir, some pics, sir. Yeah.
I see.
Sir, actually, in my case, sir, I started from 60 longitude to 100, and in latitude x-axis 40 points and y-axis 31. And my data structure is like this. My data structure given like 0, 60, 0, 61, 0, 61 is longitude and 0 is latitude and so on sir. लेकिन whenever we try to plot in grads, I think so. I'm not completely sure this is how the data read or not in grad format. But in this case, 0 to 60, 0, 61, 0, and 62, 0, like so on. First for U and then first for V. But in my program, I try to do this part, but I'm unable to do that, sir.
Yeah, you just open your grad documentation. Grad
Grad documentation manual, sir. Grad's manual.
grad manual.
Yes, sir. I have, sir. Yes, sir.
Open the grad reader file. Contents.
Yes, sir. This one.
So first time step, first variable, for each physical level, we have got only one level right.
Yes, sir. Time is one, and yes, sir.
Level is also one. So
Yes, sir. Level is also.
first variable, all the vertical level. So we have got only one level. And at the same time, second variable, हमारे पास तो एक ही टाइम है और एक ही वेरिएबल है.
Yes, sir. Eight time is variable.
और एक वेरिएबल एक टाइम और दो वेरिएबल है. एक लेवल.
हाँ, तो you and me both two variables, sir.
एक
But
टाइम
level is one.
एक टाइम एक लेवल और दो वेरिएबल.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So ठीक है. So you understand this graph data structure. Okay, now you go back to your source code. Go back to your source code.
Source. This one, sir.
हाँ. तो यहाँ पे 16 input file.
Yes, sir. 16. Sir, actually, I'm showing you different file. First, I'm show you the output Cyclone 2 file, sir. Actually, this looks same, sir, but I just put name different, sir. Yeah, this one, sir. It is same like as I show you earlier, sir. Like this, sir. Both look same, but in output Cyclone 2 I have more values after decimal, sir, and in Cyclone case I have less values in after decimal, sir.
So actually this is the same thing that you told me earlier.
Yes, sir. Same. Both are same.
So
Yes, sir.
open to
Hello.
noise कहाँ से आ रहा है? The details.
Anish, in your CTL file, what options did you give?
Open the serial point.
This one.
Yes. Starting longitude is and vertical value is in total of one. Starting with 0 starting and vertical value Your file looks okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
just try to move your.
Why have you given you 1271?
What is that?
Sorry.
You 1271, because for binary format you'll give 199. What is this
Here,
1271?
here,
Okay, I
here.
want to 1271. Your serial file was
Instead of 1271, I have to put nine. I
99,
should. I
because it's
should.
a
I should.
binary
Yes,
format.
sir.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
99. I don't know if that's the problem. It could be.
Actually, I first tried with this, but actually सर दोनों में आउटपुट सेम ही आ रहा है सर. मैं आपको करके फिर से एक बार दिखा देता हूँ सर फिर भी.
P actual.
हाँ.
P actual. The serial file.
वेरिएबल बिन और गुण लिखा हुआ है.
सेम सर. What are you trying to say, Gidesh?
मनीष डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम
हाँ.
लिखा हुआ है. उसमें इनपुट फाइल है, उसमें है सिर्फ 2 कॉलम है और 1271 रोज है. मतलब उसको रीड कर रहा है, तो उसको एज अ मैट्रिक्स रीड कर रहा है, 31 और 41 का मैट्रिक्स. समझ रहे हैं? तो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है do I is equal to 1,41 and is equal to 1,31. ये जो इनपुट फाइल है उसमें J सिर्फ 2 ही है, 2 कॉलम है, एंड I 1271 है. नंबर ऑफ रोज तेरे इनपुट फाइल में 1271 है, तेरे डाला हुआ है. तो ये रीड कैसे करेगा?
मैं बता रहा हूँ, एक मिनट. इसके अंदर क्या है कि सबसे पहले ये इसको फर्स्ट को A11 कंसीडर कर रहा है, फिर A12 कंसीडर कर रहा है और सो ऑन. इसी तरीके से ये पूरा लास्ट तक एक पूरा मैट्रिक्स के जितने एलिमेंट्स होते हैं सबको रीड कर लिया. फर्स्ट यू एंड देन फॉर वी. क्योंकि एक्चुअली ये चीज मैं सर पहले करके देख चुका हूँ. जैसे कि मैंने क्या किया, एक बार ये नीचे जो मैंने यहाँ राइट कमांड लिख रखा है, यहाँ पे मैंने इसको अनफॉर्मेटेड ना करके नॉर्मल किया और फिर उसके बाद सेम डू लूप लगाया, तो सेम उसी तरीके से आउटपुट मिला था. हाँ हरिता.
Tab, will it read in tab? Is it reading properly? Did you check that? Because tab is a delimiter, no, in Fortran. So maybe it's not reading UV properly.
What is tab? अच्छा, this one. Okay. So what I should do?
No, in the info, in between each columns, put comma. You have put tab, right?
Okay.
Your input file. Because tab is a delimiter in Fortran,
In this
so it
file.
will.
In this file.
Yeah.
I put here comma like that. Huh?
Remove the tab and put the comma. I think it will work now.
Like that. Huh?
Yeah. Did you check if it's reading properly?
Yeah, it's reading properly.
It is reading properly. Okay.
It is reading blank. You can't value of new. So
Actually, sir, I tried many ways, sir. Yes, sir. Data file.
tab को हटा के कॉमा ट्रांसलेट लगेगा.
Sir, I also tried this, sir. No, sir, I am not tried this. I will try.
Yeah. So try करके देखना and then let's see how it looks like. Okay.
Yes.
तो लेक्चर भी हो गया. तुम्हारा तो बिल्कुल केस लग रहा है कि बगल में भेज दिया. Then one before that. So, Sayoni, are you there? Sayoni, are you there? She's not there, it seems.
Sir, her Ubuntu went unresponsive. So she's using Windows now. She put a message in the group. So.
So she is not able to solve. Okay, Gitesh, can you solve me what is your problem?
Sir, I'm just making some editing something. It will take 5 minutes.
Okay. What was the message given by Savani? Please, that message. क्या था? Start. What happened to Savani? Is it?
So Ubuntu went unresponsive. It hanged completely.
Okay, I see. So she is on window, so therefore she cannot show any result. Is it like that? But she can speak. Can you speak? Talk, Savani? She logged in.
So she put a message on the chat.
Hear me. Can you talk? We cannot hear you. No, that means we can't hear you. Is anybody able to hear her? I can hear.
No, sir.
She is able to hear us. We can't hear her. So only we cannot hear you. No, आवाज नहीं आ रहा. So would you like to try for next half an hour? It's only 1 o'clock. I give you half an hour and then we meet again at 1:30. Will that be okay? All
Yes,
of you?
sir.
Yeah, I give you half an hour. Whatever we have discussed, you try to implement that, correct that, and we meet again at 1:30 and discuss it. Okay?
Yes,
So,
sir.
yeah, then I will stop recording. Hitesh, you want to say something?
So what we have to do next?
Whatever we have discussed, you have to just implement. अभी तो तुम्हारे program में problem था ना? There was a problem in your program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So try to correct that in the next half an hour, and then we will again meet at 1:30 and discuss what is the progress, whether any improvement is there or not. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So I will stop recording this and then leave you to do your work now. We are going to get this.